Is it necessary to remove all dirt before filling sidewalk or driveway cracks? Yes, you should remove as much dirt and organic matter as possible before applying a permanent crack filler because debris left behind will encourage weeds and prevent proper adhesion. When preparing concrete cracks for permanent weed prevention, start by removing all loose material with a stiff wire brush or a screwdriver to break up compacted soil. Next, use a wet vacuum or a shop vacuum on the crevice setting to extract fine particles that brushing leaves behind, since even a thin dust layer blocks epoxy and polyurethane fillers. If the crack contains roots or fibrous organic matter, cut and pull them out, and then treat the area with a diluted household bleach solution and rinse thoroughly to kill remaining root fragments and spores, allowing complete drying before filling. For deeply soiled or oil-stained sections, use a pressure washer at a moderate setting to blast out embedded grit while avoiding undermining surrounding concrete. Allow at least 24 hours drying time or use a moisture meter if you have one. For loose sandy debris, a leaf blower or compressed air works quickly, but follow with a vacuum to collect settled dust because blowing alone leaves fine particles. Finally, inspect the crack with a flashlight at a shallow angle to spot residual film or roots. Re-clean any spots and ensure the surface is dry and sound before applying your chosen filler. Common mistakes include skipping fine particle removal, which leads to poor bond and early filler failure, so always vacuum after brushing and blowing. Another issue is filling while the crack is damp, which traps moisture under the filler and causes bubbling or separation. Wait until the crack is visibly dry or use a moisture meter and only apply when readings are within the filler manufacturer recommended range. A third mistake is leaving behind root fragments or organic residue, which will decompose and create voids. Remove all visible organic material and treat with a mild disinfectant, then dry thoroughly before proceeding. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors around projects like concrete crack repair by helping people find local professionals and by letting contractors list services to get work. We also host an active discussion community where we share practical tips, ask questions, and compare products so our members can make better decisions together.